guys, so I'm back with a video. I'm going to be telling you guys about how I started a preschool at home and how I expanded that to also a virtual preschool online. So back in 2021, I was just a stay-at-home mom looking for work. I do have a bachelor's of science in human development as well as a public school teaching license to teach second grade. So with that degree, I was able to do some research online about how to start a preschool at home. I was able to start a preschool with watching only one child, and then that increased to 4 kids. So in total, I was charging each family $1,200 each month to watch their kids. So I had 4 kids in my care, and a total for me, I was making $4,800 per month. With this position, I was able to public school teach during the school year and then provide my preschool services during the summertime. So I was able to provide preschool services to different families in my community. I also am a member of the NACE Association, which is the National Early Childhood Education for Children, and with that program I was able to win a business pitch competition. In that business pitch competition, I competed against other local Las Vegas child care providers, and with that I was able to win a $5,000 grant to set my home up to provide in-home child care. So with that, I'm currently looking to expand into a child care center because I do have a waiting list currently growing, and with me living in a 4-bedroom home, I'm only able to care for 4 children. I would like to potentially expand to a center and hire more people. So that is how I started a preschool in my home, and then I was able to make $4,800. So as a summer school, since I'm off during the summer, I'm able to supplement my income. So if you want more information about how you could start your business or how you could start a side hustle, go ahead and comment down below and I can provide you with information on how to get that started. I also have a Facebook group that walks you through the steps on how to start a preschool. So you don't need to be licensed to have a preschool in your home, because you can be babysitting those kids anywhere from 3 to 6 hours per day. So like, comment, and subscribe again, and I'll be coming back with another video.